Did you know visual content gets 94% more views and is 40% more likely to be shared? That's why using eye-catching graphics and images is one of the best ways to stand out online. In fact, we're hardwired to respond to images because vision is our primary sense. But what if you struggle to create good graphics because you have no design experience, or you don't know how to use complicated software like Photoshop? You could pay someone to create graphics for you, but it's going to get very expensive paying for custom graphics all the time, even if you're only doing a small amount of marketing online. So let me tell you about a tool I use in my business. It's called Youzign, and as they say here, it's all the design tools you'll ever need in one place. What I love about Youzign is that I can create an unlimited amount of graphics with one easy-to-use, inexpensive tool that I can access anywhere. You don't even have to install anything on your computer because it's web-based. I'll log into my account and show you what you can do with Youzign. So here I am inside. Check out all the different types of graphics you can create. There are over 1,000 ready-to-edit, professionally designed templates to pick and choose from in more than 60 formats. You can create all these graphics for Facebook, from ads to cover images. There are templates for all the major social media platforms, including Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Google+, and LinkedIn. And the great thing is, they're all going to be the exact size you need, whether it's a cover image or a post graphic, because you can also customize the size if you want to. You can also create graphics for print, such as business cards, flyers, loyalty cards, and even t-shirts. You can create web banners, Kindle covers, and e-covers. And you can even turn your e-cover into a 3D image like this, or this. You can create infographics and attention-grabbing images for your blog posts. Okay, so let's say you want to create a graphic for your Facebook newsfeed. Choose a design like this. Give it a name. And start editing. Let's change some text. And some fonts. It's an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface. Let's change the color. Now let's change the color of the lines. This design has an overlay. We can change the color, or we can delete it if we don't want it. We can choose to apply a filter to the background image. I'll undo that. If you don't want an image background, you can have a gradient instead. Or how about a pattern? Or a texture? Let's find a different background image. Another fantastic thing about Youzign is that it's integrated with Pixabay, Icon Finder, and Stock Unlimited, so there are 1.3 million royalty-free, high-quality images to choose from. And there's even a background removal feature built in, so you can isolate a person or an object in any of the images without even leaving the app or opening another tool. You can also add graphics if you want, and Youzign comes with 300,000 vector graphics built in. Just choose the category, and then click on the graphic you want. Change the size, and drag it to where you want it. Let's get rid of that. Let's add some extra text instead. Click to add, then drag it into position, and edit it. Once you're happy with your design, just click to download as a PNG, JPEG, or PDF. With just a few clicks, you can have an eye-catching graphic ready to use whenever you need to grab people's attention. The point is, you can edit as much or as little as you like with these templates, which is why Youzign is fantastic for both beginners with no design experience and more experienced marketers who either want professional graphics fast or who want to take the time to add their own creative touches to the templates. There are so many things you can do with Youzign and so much to love about it. You would think it's expensive, but it's really incredibly affordable, much cheaper than something like Photoshop, and a lot easier to use. With Youzign, you can get access for a very low monthly fee with no lock-in contract, and you can even have a 14-day trial for just a penny, so you can try it out and see if you like it. So if you're fed up of struggling to stand out online because you don't know how to create good graphics, or you're paying for multiple high-priced, difficult-to-use tools or software, take a look at Youzign today.